Ndigbo Mamano, based on the rise of insecurity in the country, I urge every Igbo community to protect themselves. Every Igbo community should start guarding their forests, start guarding their communities, mount roadblocks in your community, and know those that are coming in and those that are going out. Search every lorry, every car that is entering your community, because some of these people that call themselves Hausa Fulani bike men, they are the terrorists that you are seeing killing people. Sometimes they will come in just with their bikes, and later lorries and all those trucks will carry weapons and come in. So if you want to protect your community, start mounting roadblocks. It's very important. Secondly, make sure that able-bodied men are in your forests, guarding your forests, all around your forests. The government is not coming to protect you. Ndigbo, protect your forests. Equip your youth. Let them enter the forest and guard your forest. Let them guard your forest. Let them guard your community. The military have been infiltrated by bandits and terrorists. Repentant Boko Haram, ISWAP, Fulani herdsmen have been integrated into the Nigerian military. You don't expect such people to come and give you protection. Ndigbo, if you catch terrorists, you know what to do. Don't video it, don't post it on social media. Content creation is one of the problems that we Igbos are having. You will see an Igbo youth, your community is defending themselves from terrorists. Your community is doing the right thing to the terrorists. Instead of removing your camera, you are videoing it, posting it on social media for the world to see that you are clearing terrorists. When you video your success and post it on social media, you are inviting those people that are sponsoring those terrorists to come and disarm you. When you post that you eliminated those terrorists that are terrorizing your community, when you post that you eliminated those terrorists that are killing you, if you post all those things on social media, you are attracting the sponsors of those terrorists. They will come and disarm you, and they will leave you with nothing. After disarming you, those terrorists will come and kill you. So when you are operating, make sure you don't involve the camera. Defend yourselves. Remove the camera. Don't involve the camera. Protecting ourselves is a constitutional right. Since the federal government cannot protect us, we will protect ourselves. We must protect ourselves. Igbo lives matter. Remember, when operating, remove the camera.